Having a cat as a pet can be a delightful experience for many people, but like any pet, it comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Here are some pros and cons of having a cat as a pet. Pros. Number 1. Companionship. Cats can provide affection, comfort, and companionship. Their presence can help reduce feelings of loneliness and stress. Number 2. Low maintenance. Cats are generally independent animals and can entertain themselves for periods of time. They don't require daily walks like dogs, making them a suitable pet for people with busy lifestyles. Number 3. Grooming. Cats are meticulous groomers and generally keep themselves clean. This reduces the need for frequent baths or grooming sessions. Number 4. Entertainment. Cats are playful and curious creatures, providing amusement with their antics and playful behavior. Number 5. Health benefits. Studies suggest that having a cat as a pet can have positive effects on human health, such as reducing blood pressure and lowering the risk of heart disease. Number 6. Space. Cats can adapt to smaller living spaces, making them suitable for apartments or homes with limited outdoor areas. Talking about some cons. Number 1. Allergies. Some people are allergic to cat dander, which can cause respiratory issues and other allergic reactions. Number 2. Scratching and damage. Cats have a natural instinct to scratch, which may lead to damage to furniture, carpets, and other household items. Providing appropriate scratching posts can help mitigate this behavior. Number 3. Litter box maintenance. Cats need a clean litter box, and its maintenance can be a chore for some pet owners. Number 4. Independence. While their independence can be a pro, it can also be a con for some pet owners who seek more interactive and dependent companionship from their pets. Number 5. Hunting instincts. Cats have a natural hunting instinct, and they may bring home prey such as birds or rodents, which can be a concern for wildlife and pet owners. Number 6. Travel restrictions. Having a pet, including a cat, can limit travel flexibility, as arrangements need to be made for their care during trips. In conclusion, having a cat as a pet can be a rewarding experience for many people. Understanding and accepting the responsibilities and potential challenges of pet ownership can help create a loving and fulfilling relationship between a cat and its owner. Thanks for watching the video. Like, subscribe and share.